Good evening, one and all present over here. Say loudly.
Good evening.
Very good. See, today you gathered here to have your farewell. 10th standard is here. You may have one more gathering similar to this. 12th standard is also here. Will not have another gathering like this. Both of you, 10th and 12th, both of these batches are going out of the school or school campus. Recently, somewhere I read a definition to school. One word, 6 letters, millions of memories, thousands of mistakes, zero regret, infinite love, care, share, and happiness. More than that, there is no proper definition to school. When you come to school, the first day of the school, maybe nursery, otherwise KG or whatever it may. That day onwards, till the last paper of your examination, your teachers will definitely create a shadow for you, a protection for you. This is your second home, so that if you leave the school campus, we will not forget you soon. You all will be remembered as our dearest children. One thing I want to say you this moment, you came to school for your learning. There are two kinds of learning. We can learn through our brain. Another level of learning is learning through heart. Along with learning through your brain, you need to learn something through your heart. When you learn through your heart, or when you learn something through your heart, I say your learning will finish. Or your learning will finish when you learn something through the heart. When you learn through the heart, you will be becoming a right learner. Through the heart, you learn love, sympathy, kindness, these qualities. When you have these qualities, whatever you learned from the classroom will work perfectly. When you have, once again I'm telling you, when you learn the qualities, love, compassion, kindness, sharing, caring, when you learn these qualities through your heart, and when you apply what you learn through brain, the world will be a better place, a beautiful place to live in. Tomorrow, I know, you all will be going towards different professions. Some of you may turn as doctors. Some of you may turn as engineers. Some of you may turn as different architectures or different professions. If you have these all qualities, no patient will die, no bridges will collapse, the country will grow, society will grow. The world will remind you always. So apply some of these qualities. Enjoy your life. You must enjoy. We get life only once. We must enjoy our life. But should not make harm to others. Should not make hindrance to others. So pitiful God will provide all kinds of blessings to you. I think some of you might have come here for a marriage party. Pratik sir, your children, your students came. Yamuna 10th, they were telling. So Yamuna came like this. No. Prasad, when you will come here to break the urinals there, whatever kept, what we say, commode, whatever kept there, will you come back to break it? When you will come? Say first. Say, you stand up for a while. Say. So do one thing, pay here 5,000, then you go. Okay? Extra 5,000. Okay, sit down. So, your funds, your angry, your emotions, your artwork, everything we had seen where in the washrooms. That energy, that kinds of art energy, that kind of creations, that kind of activities, promote outside, not inside the washrooms, wherever you go. Okay. So, whatever it may, we take it all, these are a kind of fun that will happen in the school. That's all. I don't want to give a long advice to you this time because your age is not suitable for listening advices. Even though, try to have some of the qualities what I said, apply the qualities in the life and try to become a better human being. Okay, I hope you will do it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.